Hello, this is Alan here at Fast Equipment and Truck Sales, taking a video of this 2003 Sterling Quint we took in on trade. This was a local trade on a new Peterbilt quad axle dump. Quick video. It's a real nice truck. Guys took good care of it. I also believe they just had rebuilt the engine a little over 100,000 miles ago. They did that in-house in their own garage, so there's no documents or paperwork. So I have nothing in a way of paperwork to prove that to anyone. So, but I was just telling you what I was told. The bed's in great shape. Got all aluminum wheels. View all the details, specs, and information on our website, fastets.com. Most of my folks do a really good job at making sure they get all the specifications and details, even if they have to call Sterling Manufacturing Company to get those. Sometimes we do. They do whatever they have to do to make sure we get proper specs and details. We are just passing along the information we receive from others. Just pulling that thing back in park, and we'll run up there and get some video footage of the interior. Dirty there. You can visit us in person at 115 Wisconsin Lane in Mount Airy, North Carolina, right on the side of Highway 52 near the I-74 connector. It's just about a mile down the road from us. Get some video footage of the interior. As all Sterlings, you know, the dashes tend to take some abuse. Seats are in good shape, not ripped or torn. And as you can see, you know, the dash is a typical Sterling dash. This one is in pretty good shape, actually, in comparison to most of the ones I've seen. Almost 2 years ago. Engine. August. So. Cab's in good shape. Got pretty good rubber all the way around. Like I said, a local guy traded it in. Owned a sand company. So all they ever hauled in it was sand. And He did inform us that they rebuilt the engine themselves less than 2 years ago, maybe right at 100,000 miles or less on the rebuild, something like that. So that is, bed's in good shape, cab's in good shape, truck's perfect running condition. Really nice truck. We ran it through the shop. It is serviced and inspected and ready to go to work. You can reach us by phone at 336-789-1138. Again, you can visit us on the web at vastets.com. We love to help you with all of your truck and equipment needs. We sell equipment as well as rent it, so let us know if you have any equipment rental needs as well. Thanks and God bless.